I'm doing the free introductory course for the NIST website right now. Covers risk management framework, 853A and 53B. Any other training sources you recommend for NIST training for the government jobs? I would recommend reading through the NIST 837. Just read
Yeah,
through it. It's not even that long. Read through the NIST 837. There's some stuff on Udemy you
yeah.
might be able to do. I have a course as
Yeah.
well on it. I have a course.
I was gonna recommend yours, and I think your course is better than the two guys I saw on Udemy.
But yeah, your best bet is to do the NIST 800s. Read the NIST 837. It's the way they write it is like for academics.
Yeah,
You'll start to get the idea of what they're trying to say. Those are probably that's the best source that you can use.
come over to me. I got some videos on it. So, like you said, check out this course and come over and I try to do the videos, like you said, bring it down and put some real world stuff with it, and do this with the cloud to put a bow around both of those.
Yes, and actually, yeah, to that point, like link in description below. I've got Professor Black Ops stuff there. I'm learning stuff from his courses, so
I appreciate it. I
so
appreciate
just go
it.
ahead and check him out. He's got some great information on there. Um,
My thing I need to work on. I think you do an excellent job. Is all my videos are like an hour and a half. The kids say they're too long. I need to chop them down. So I'm gonna work on making them smaller and stuff to the point. So because I used to teach, so I teach. I do my videos like I'm teaching a course. So I've always had PowerPoints on mine because, like I said, I taught for a decade. So the kids say I need to make them
absolutely.
shorter. So I'm working on that. So they love them. They just say they got to watch them over a couple days period, 2-3 days.
Larry said, "My only reason for backing a degree is that I work with a lot of people that flat out suck at public speaking and other soft skills. Their interpersonal skills in a business setting is not good. That's one of the things that'll sharpen you up depending on what courses and college you go to. I know on mine, they emphasized working in teams, and I had to take public speaking and stuff, and they force you to get in there and work with people. So that is something, and one of the interpersonal skills that it's going to develop is along with writing.
Mhm.
In my course, there was a lot of writing.
Yeah, the thing though, that I want to throw out to Larry, and I think you're missing the point is that's why you better than them. I work with a lot of guys I think on a spectrum that are brilliant. My job is to communicate with those guys and get them on point. They don't want to leave the cube or their house, but they're excellent at what they're
Yeah.
doing. I'm gonna
Yeah.
let them be great, and I'm gonna guide them. That's why I get paid, Larry. I want them to suck. If everybody was doing it, then I can't make the money I make, Larry. So I think you're looking at that wrong. I work with some brilliant Unix guys. Them dudes can barely tie their shoe, but they are bad on the Unix box. So I'm gonna let them be great, like he said. They stand in their lane, Larry. Then I can stand in my lane and make my money. I think you're looking at it wrong. That's my 2 cents, man. I want people to be great at what they do, man. So I want them to suck a little bit. Because I'm gonna do the speaking, I'm gonna do the lead, I'm gonna communicate the management. Because they don't want to do that. They want to build their Linux box, they want to build their Amazon, they want to do their MFA, and they do all that stuff great. Sterling, know all the stigs with one eyes closed. So that's what I want them to do, Larry. So
What's
that's what
funny is I've had a couple of my buddies who are super technical, and they try to do this GRC stuff, and they hate it, man. They hate it. And because it's the stuff we have to deal with, we got to deal with people who you get in a meeting with somebody who knows everything and takes all the oxygen in the room. You got to deal with difficult people on a
oh yeah.
regular basis.